I'm JJ Dukart with Illusion, and this is the PhaZe body odor system. We're going to go over tips, tactics, and the full instructional for the full 3-phase system. We'll go over the body, the gear, and the field. Break down step by step how we use this whole system to remove the human odor element. That's the #1 red flag danger to deer. And if we can remove that, we're going to be much more successful in the field. So we'll get started on phase 1, which is our body system. The products that are within this lineup are the body wash, shampoo conditioner, the lotion, and the deodorant. 2 ways we target the human odor with this system is actually our Z technology, which permanently entraps the odor molecule, rendering it useless to a whitetail's nose. And the other thing is we work on our dander control. So we want to hydrate the skin, actually suppress that dander. If you have dry skin and it's falling all over the place, deer can actually pick that up. Those are actually physical little particles that you're leaving out in the field. So if we can eliminate the dander and then eliminate the human odor element, we're having a lot more success out in the field. So that's actually the whole system uses those 2 technologies. But #1 is definitely your body system, which is the direct to skin right away. So the first part is actually when you're going to shower to try to remove all that odor from your body, try to suppress that dander. We're going to start in the shower. So typical shower, warm water. You're going to start with the body wash, and we're going to use these products days and weeks leading up to our hunting season to kind of flush out all those old scents, whether that's your perfumey, deodorants or shampoos, whatever's in your system. We want to work all that out. So days and weeks leading up into the season, we're going to use this system. And one trick with the actual body wash and the shampoo is if you do take a warm shower or even a hot shower, we tend to stick towards more of that warm shower because we don't want to sweat. That feeling you get when you take a really hot shower, you get out, you dry down, and you begin to sweat. You're overheating, your body temperature is just way too hot. So one of the things we do with this portion of our scent control is we'll hit ourselves with a little bit of cold water to finish out the shower. Kind of closes up the cuticles, prevents that sweat, and really lowers our body temperature. So start with body wash, shampoo, conditioner, and then after that, we're going to lead right into our deodorant. Now this is a clear gel stick deodorant. It's not an antiperspirant. So instead of clogging your pores, this one lets you breathe. We're working on moisturizing your skin one more time. Then the Z technology is going to permanently entrap those odor molecules. Now that Z technology actually runs through the whole phase 1. So from the body wash, the shampoo, conditioner, even into the lotion, we're permanently entrapping those odor molecules every time we use this system. Now with the body wash and the shampoo and conditioner, these are all salon quality products, so they are working to really heal our skin, moisturize our skin, so we're not worried about all the dander out in the field, that red flag to deer. But in the shower, we're actually rinsing a lot of that product off. Whereas the lotion, the next step in phase 1, we're actually penetrating the skin, conditioning it, sealing it with that Z technology one more time with those odors. So lotion is actually a treatment you do after you get out of the shower. Once you dry down, you're gonna wanna hit all those hot spots. And you can even put it in your truck, bring it out in the field. A lot of times when guys don't have time to shower after work, they actually just bring the lotion and do a treatment of lotion on their body. So there's a secondary use with that as well. But you're gonna seal your body with that lotion, penetrate the skin, and then use a deodorant under your arms. The whole system is a salon quality product, again, working on hydration of the skin. Dander is one thing that almost every other product on the market overlooks. They don't realize that dry skin floats around. It's a physical object, and we're trying to control that, not alert the deer by putting skin cells all over the place. So that's phase 1 of the system. Once you're done with your shower, you're gonna jump out, and one tip we like to give people on that is always have your towels or any other item you're gonna use to dry yourself, wash it in the PhaZe detergent, because you wanna get all those odors out. The last thing you want is to clean your whole body, jump out, use kind of a smelly towel, and contaminate your whole body after you just treated with the whole system. So that's phase 1. Then we move into phase 2, which is our gear.